Hi, it's Dr. Robert Davis with Active Health Complete Relief Care. I am returning to answer your frequently asked questions regarding Trigenics. The next question I'm going to answer is, how does Trigenics actually fix a frozen shoulder? So I'm going to go through this briefly, and then I will follow up with additional answers to specific questions. So Trigenics is basically a neurological treatment system that resets the communication between the brain and the muscles that control the shoulder. What I'm looking for to diagnose a frozen shoulder is a lack of movement, and very painful movement. So the shoulder cannot laterally raise. You have to recruit other muscles to raise. You can't reach behind your back, and you even have trouble lifting up, like doing the I solemnly swear position. People aren't able to do that. It's very debilitating and it's very painful. I look first of all to the neurokinetic chain in this area, and what I mean by that is the nerves that control the movement into the shoulder. What I'm looking for is damage to those nerves. There are nerves that run out of the shoulder, run out of the spinal column and go into the shoulder, and they control all the movement in the shoulder. There's specific things that have to happen when you move your shoulder. Your brain needs to tell those muscles that move your shoulder certain things. For instance, if you're laterally raising your arm like this, the latissimus dorsi needs to lengthen, your deltoid needs to strengthen to bring the arm up. If you're doing the I solemnly swear position, which would be external rotation, your subscapularis has to lengthen and your supraspinatus has to strengthen. And the opposite happens if you're doing internal rotation. So those are four of the basic muscles. There are many more muscles involved. But if you have damage to the nerves in the spine and it's causing damage to the signal going into those muscles, you develop a state of hypotonicity. You've lost tone in the muscles that control that ball and socket joint. Well, over time what happens is that joint gets sloppy. So things wear unevenly. And by doing Trigenics, which is a reset with that communication, we get your brain to restore the tone there. So muscles are going to lengthen when they should, they're going to strengthen when they should, and the same in all the different positions. So in brief, that is an explanation of how Trigenics works to fix a frozen shoulder. Again, our job is to get you back to those activities that enrich your life. So if you or a loved one is suffering with frozen shoulder, please don't hesitate. Take down the phone number and give us a call. We'd be happy to set you up for a consultation. God bless you, and I look forward to meeting you.